Efficient grouping in Pandas based on another series. I need to perform a grouped operation which is based on another Boolean column in my data frame. It is most easily seen in an example. I have the following data frame. And would like to obtain a column whose elements are true if the B column is true and it is the last time it is true for a given ID. I have a code that achieves this, although inefficiently. Can someone propose what is the correct Pythonic approach to do this nice and fast?
You can first filter values where true in column B and then get max index value with group E and aggregating max. Then replace values false by index values with lock. Another solution, get max index values with group E and apply. Then test membership of values and index with eSheen. Output is Boolean series.
Not sure if this is the most efficient method, but it uses only built-in functions, the main one being consum and then max to check that it equals the last one. pd.merge is just used to put the max back in the table. Maybe there's a better way for doing that. P.S. The data frame you specified in the example changes slightly from the first to the second snippet. I hope I've interpreted your request correctly.